I think Bio is an excellent conference to come to because it gives us an opportunity to interface with the leading researchers across the world to allow Oklahoma State University researchers a platform to commercialize their research and make their research practical to the general public in the form of medical treatments. So our goal with the conference is to collaborate and to get those treatments out to patients in Oklahoma and worldwide to make their daily lives better.
And you have some very cool things that you're doing during these meetings that you're having right now, correct? Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Are you asking what research projects we're working on?
Yes, the things that you've been meeting with people from around the world during the conference.
Yeah, so I came here with Dr. Ramsey and Dr. Fallenkamp. Dr. Ramsey has a bioreactor that grows mammalian cells that are used in therapeutic treatments such as arthritis and oncology care. So it's the most revolutionary treatment that we have today using monoclonal antibodies. And Dr. Fallenkamp has tissue models that are used to help test therapeutics to see if they work in tissue models to prevent research on animals and humans and to test the efficacy of therapeutics. We also have an RSV vaccine that we're developing that's in later stage, about to go to clinical trials, and a small molecule cancer drug that's of interest in the portfolio. There's about 30 or 40 different research projects that are in Cowboy Technologies' portfolio that we're trying to get to market. So hopefully we can translate Oklahoma State University's research into real products that the public can use in clinical medicine today.
So my research area is in tissue engineering and developing models for better testing of drugs and therapeutics. And so trying to develop models that mimic the body's response, and specifically the immune response. So instead of having to test harmful things in people or on animals that aren't always predictive, being able to come up with a better model that will give us more information and hopefully develop better therapeutics with less side effects.
And tell me a little bit about why you have a passion for working at OSU and coming back to Oklahoma to work.
So I'm originally from Oklahoma, and I believe that the people here and the Oklahoma State University is a good opportunity to grow in biomedical engineering. There's a lot of great things going on in the state that's being well supported, and that we can have a significant effect on the healthcare industry. And we have a lot of people at Oklahoma State working mostly in tissue engineering, drug delivery applications, drug design. And so being able to come to a conference like Bio and talk to other researchers and companies all over the world and see how we can translate what we do in the lab to actually get it out there to the market and help support healthcare.
So a student of mine, Momin Amer, who recently finished his PhD, and I've been working together to develop a new design of a multi-chamber single-use bioreactor. These are bioreactors that have disposable bags inside of them, which eliminates the need for cleaning in place and sterilizing in place.
Right, wonderful. And you've received some funding from the state through Cowboy Technology, is that right?
Right. We're working to commercialize our product and basically translating it from the lab into the commercial sphere where the product can benefit the people of Oklahoma. We also want to try to start up a company that can create jobs in Oklahoma. And so we're working with OCAST and also with Cowboy Technologies and the new product development center at OSU to commercialize our product and get a company out of it.
And then once the company's established, where will that be?
So our company would be based in Oklahoma, and it would hire Oklahoma people for manufacturing bags and also selling bags.
Wonderful. And have you made some good contacts so far?
Yeah, we've had a great time at the conference. It's allowed us to sit down across the table from high-level decision makers with other companies that might be interested in either supporting our research or even licensing the technology.